we've mastered 2 classes. But the world often has more: 10 digits, dozens of products, a handful of sentiments. Let's scale our classifier up to many classes, and watch every step happen on screen. Recognizing a handwritten digit, 10 classes, 0 through 9. Tagging a photo, cat, dog, or bird. Reading a review, positive, negative, or neutral. All of these need more than 2 labels. We'll use the cat, dog, or bird example throughout. The first recipe is one versus rest. We train a separate yes or no classifier for each class. One asks cat, or not. Another asks dog, or not. A third asks bird, or not. Feed in one photo, and each classifier reports how confident it is. Watch the 3 confidence bars fill in. Now we simply take the tallest bar. Cat wins, so that's our prediction. The more elegant recipe is the Softmax. It's the sigmoid's big sibling, and it turns raw scores into real probabilities. Let's build it, step by step. The model first spits out one raw score per class, just numbers, and they can even be negative. Say cat scores 2.0, dog 0.8, and bird minus 0.5. Step 1. Exponentiate each score, raise the number e to that power. This makes every value positive, and stretches the leaders further ahead. 2.0 becomes about 7.4, 0.8 becomes 2.2, minus 0.5 becomes just 0.6. Step 2. Add those 3 up. 7.4 plus 2.2 plus 0.6 is about 10.2. Step 3. Divide each one by that total. Now watch the bars grow to their share of the whole. Cat lands at 72%, dog at 22%, bird at 6%. And crucially, they add up to exactly 100%, a true probability distribution. Pick the largest, and again it's cat. Same winner as one versus rest, but now with honest probabilities behind it. Now, how do we grade a multi-class model? The confusion matrix grows with us. Now it's n by n, 1 row and 1 column per class. Each test photo lands in a cell. Its true class picks the row. The model's guess picks the column. Watch them drop into place and tally up. The green diagonal is where the guess matched the truth, the correct predictions. Every cell off the diagonal is a specific mix-up, like a dog that got called a cat. And our metrics carry straight over. We just compute them one class at a time. Take cat. For precision, we ask, of everything the model called cat, how many really were? Add up the predicted cat column. 18 plus 2 plus 1 is 21. The model was right 18 times. 18 over 21 is precision of 0.86. For recall, we ask, of all the real cats, how many did we catch? Add up the actual cat row. 18 plus 3 plus 1 is 22. 18 over 22 is recall of 0.82. Do that for every class, then average the results into one overall score. Nothing fundamental has changed. That completes your classification toolkit. The module project puts it all to work. Predict customer churn, end-to-end. Load the data, split it, train logistic regression, tune the threshold, then judge it with the confusion matrix, precision, recall, and AUC. So multiclass is just binary, scaled up, one versus rest, or softmax turning raw scores into probabilities, an n by n confusion matrix, and the same metrics, computed per class. With that, you can build, tune, and honestly evaluate a classifier from start to finish. Next module, preparing messy, real-world data.